Hi, welcome to the video. In this video I will show you how to join to affiliate partners on Airalo. So go to Airalo and affiliate partners. Scroll down and click to join us. Sign up. And then you have to read the contract terms for Airalo. Accept. And log in or sign up with email or Apple or Facebook or Google, or sign in if you have an Impact account. And that's it. You can read the contract, scroll down, and you can approve the contract if you want to continue. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like this video.